Hello, my name is Ankush Bhatt and I welcome you to the short demo in which I'll explain you about how basic authentication works in case of API scan. So let's switch to Tosca. Okay, here I'll start API scan first. I'll try to access a particular web service of Postman. For that, I'll create a folder and in folder I'll create a message. Okay, now I'll try to hit one endpoint which I have already copied. So this is a Postman actually. So if I set the method as get, now actually this web service is like it has some authentication required. So firstly, I'll show you what the error I will get if I don't put the authentication to this web service. Okay, I'll send the request, and in return, I got the response which is as unauthorized. Unauthorized because it has some authentication associated with it, this with this web service which I have not provided. So now I'll show you how we provide that authentication. So I'll go to authentication tab, okay, and I'll select the authentication as basic, and here I'll select Postman username and password. I'll give the password, and now I'll send this particular same request and see what the response I'll get. Send. Yeah. Now you can see that I got the response as authenticated equal to true because this web service we could only access this web service through some authentication that was username and password we needed to give. So after giving that username and password in my authentication tab, I was able to access this particular web service. So this is how authentication works in case of API scan. Thank you.